So you've described a lot of the threats for the existing utilities. What are the opportunities?
Well, maybe it's funny as a type of consideration, but everyone is saying, well, utilities should look at other industry, what they are doing, and very often you hear people saying they should look at telco, because telco went through a completely reorganization and reshape of the value chain, etc. I would say that utilities should look at the ICT industry, because I see some parallelism between the two industries. I mean, and again, maybe I'm making it too simple, but the old ICT industry was mainframe. So let's say capability that were going from a central system down to the different people. And it was a limited number of connected person or connected user. Then they went to the client server, and now we are talking about Internet of Things, so everyone connected anywhere, and we are talking about billions of users. And, well, utilities could be the same.
That's very interesting. So not only are you saying that utilities need to be using IT, but they can actually learn from the IT industry?
Yeah, they should learn how to take advantage of all the technological evolution, and also really, I think at least, walk into the digital world. So understanding how they can combine the operational technologies that they are using to perform what they are doing with IT, and analytics, for instance, is a very powerful way of doing it, to take out the best from what they have in place, because I'm not expecting then they will have the possibility to completely reinvest in, for instance, new system. But they will have to take out the best and the most from what they have in place. And again, it's a question of thinking in a different way, different business model, and different capabilities, because we were discussing with some students, actually here at the European Utility Week. There will be a team of young energy professionals who gather and work for 1 year on developing their vision of the utilities in 2050. And, well, they keep on saying the customer will be at the center, really at the center, not like we keep on saying without having the customer really at the center, but not just as a customer, but as a prosumer, which is actually taking decision on where the investment in capacity should be done, because it's him making the investment. And it's funny because the vision that they were sharing is that there won't be any private utility industry. Everyone will be locally owned by local municipalities, or not even local municipalities, local communities. So it's this idea, if you want, it's simple to see the parallels with the ICT industry. And
do you buy some of that argument that the young people are putting?
I'm completely convinced that local energy initiatives is something that should be considered for the future. I'm a strong believer, because again, it's a question of changing the paradigm in leveraging the local resources to produce, generate, and also giving even more space to the renewable or local type of resources. So I buy into that.